Welcome to my Info News Diary YouTube channel by Farah Mansour. Today we will guide you about how you can get Dubai freelance visa and its benefit. Yes, you can get a freelance visa in Dubai to work from home as a social media networker. The requirements for a freelance visa in Dubai are a valid passport, a copy of your resume, a bank statement showing sufficient funds to support yourself in Dubai, a diploma or other proof of your qualifications in the field you will be freelancing in, 2 professional references, a medical insurance policy that covers you for the duration of your stay in Dubai. Once you have all of the required documents, you can apply for a freelance visa at the General Directorate of Residency and Foreign Affairs, GDRFA, in Dubai. The application process typically takes 2 to 3 weeks. As a freelance social media networker, you will be able to work from home and set your own hours. You will need to find clients who are willing to pay you to promote their products or services on social media. There are many ways to find clients, such as networking, cold calling, and using online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. The salary for a freelance social media networker in Dubai can vary depending on your experience and skills. However, you can expect to earn an average of AED 5,000 to 10,000 per month. Here are some of the benefits of getting a freelance visa in Dubai to work from home as a social media networker. If you are interested in getting a freelance visa in Dubai to work from home as a social media networker, I recommend that you start by researching the requirements and the application process. You should also start networking with other professionals in the industry and building your portfolio. Once you have all of the necessary paperwork in order, you can apply for your visa at the GDRFA. After getting Dubai freelance visa, you can live freely in the safe city of UAE, and also you can get driving license, apply for your family visa, insurance, and school for kids. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. For more informative news, please like and subscribe Info News Diary.